So you thought you had speakers in the back of your front seats of your XKR, but you could never get any sound out of them. Well, I've got news for you. They're not speakers. They're a grill for the fans in each of the seats that moves the air for the cooling and heating of the seats. And you won't be aware, but there's also fans in the seat bottoms as well. In this video, we'll show you how to replace those filters, and they're used by the fans in the 2013 XKR, as well as XF, XE, F-Pace, I-Pace, and the Land Range Rover models that have got cooled and heated seats. And in case you didn't know, and to give you some bragging rights with your Mercedes friends, the ventilation system in the Jags is a true cooling system using the AC air as opposed to the Mercedes system that's just an airflow with no cooling from the AC. My name's Bruce and I'm a proud owner of a black 2013 XKR, and this channel is designed to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester James. So please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified about more videos about the Jaguar XKR. The filters are easily accessed once you know where they are, but be sure to follow the removal instructions, as the clips can easily break if you try to remove them incorrectly. And I'd like to say at this point that the replacement of the filters makes such a big difference to the airflow in the seats. I was really pleasantly surprised about the improvement. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the seat back filters first, and then replace the filters in the seat bottoms. You'll need a trim tool remover and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Move the back seat forward so that you can access the grille in the rear of the seat. The plastic clips on the grille are at the top towards the edges. And with the trim tool remover, gently release the grille from the outer panel and pull the grille towards you to free up the 3 lugs at the bottom of the grille. And you'll see the 2 T20 Torx screws at the bottom of the remaining fitting. Remove the screws and you'll see the black filter exposed. There's just a short twist anti-clockwise to expose the fan mechanism. And notice at this stage that the filter has a silver marking on one edge that will also be on the new filter and is really useful when it comes to repositioning that new filter. And talking about new filters, they're available from a number of different sources, but I've not seen a replacement black one before, though the white ones fit, so that was my choice. The Jaguar part number for the filter is C2C36093, and it's also available as a Ford part number, 3W4Z19E880A. The Range Rover part number is HAK 500-140. And there's also an aftermarket fitting from an organisation called Goodwell, AGS 001. To fit the new filter, match up the silver marking on the filter with the silver mark on the edge of the bracket and twist part of a turn clockwise. From there, the outer housing for the grille can be replaced by positioning the bottom lugs and clipping into the top. The 2 T20 screws can be fitted and the grille can be replaced by positioning the 3 bottom lugs in the 3 slots and pushing the 2 top lugs until they clip. Finally, put the back seat forward and reposition the safety belt guide with the safety belt in place. Check that the belt moves freely. To locate the seat bottom filter, you'll need to work under the seat at the front edge towards the outside of the car. So the left-hand seat will have the filter at the left of the seat bottom and the right seat on the right-hand side. And I suggest it would be easier if you place your phone on the floor under the seat, switch on the selfie mode and the spotlight so you can see underneath the bottom of the seat. But you will find that you'll need to do most of the action by touch as everything's very tight. Feel for the filter and twist anti-clockwise. It'll just move a small part of a turn before coming away in your hand. And for comparison, I've shown the difference in colour between a new filter on the left and the old filter on the right. I doubt that it's been replaced before on my car, which has done 70,000 Ks. To replace the under-seat filler, note the silver marking and position that directly towards the front of the car, moving the filter in the housing until it pops into place, and then just part of a turn clockwise. Now let's look how to use the cooling controls on the touch screen. Press the home button, press climate, and you'll see the seating symbols. Press the downwards blue arrow and the full 3 bars of cooling light up in blue. And you can adjust the amount of cooling by pressing the red upwards arrow, and each of the 3 panels will change to black to indicate the change. Once all panels are black, further presses of the upwards arrow will add heating to the seats. And finally, the centre panel between the 2 seats is the heating steering wheel button. I hope this video has shown you a bit more about the XKR. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.